Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Workday how to add expenses to expense report. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add expense to an expense report in Workday, first what you need to do is head over to your browser, then on the search bar simply type in workday.com. And once you're inside the home page, what you need to do is log into your account, and then once logged in the search bar, what you need to do is type create expense report and then simply select task. Now fill out the business purpose, memo, company, cost center and etc. Then scroll down to the expense lines section and click on add. Then for each expenses, choose expense item, then enter the date, amount and currency, then add itemization if required, and then attach a receipt if needed. Then repeat add to include multiple expenses in one report, and once all done, all you gotta do is click on submit. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.